Hi, I'm Paddy, and this is how to check and top up your coolant. Let's get into it. Maintaining the correct coolant level is essential to help your engine run at the right temperature and avoid overheating, especially on hot days. It's a simple bit of maintenance that can make a big difference to how smoothly and efficiently your car runs over time. Before you get started, make sure your engine is completely cool and the car is parked on level ground. If it's been running, wait at least 30 minutes for it to cool down. If the coolant reservoir is still hot, opening it can release boiling liquid and pressure, which could cause serious burns. So it's really important to let it cool down before you begin. Pop the bonnet, secure it with the support rod and locate the coolant reservoir. It's usually a translucent plastic tank near the radiator, usually marked with a warning or engine coolant. It will have low and full markings on the side. You want your coolant level sitting right between those marks. If the level is low, you'll need to top it up. Unscrew the cap slowly to release any pressure. Use a funnel to pour in the coolant. Never mix different coolants unless they're specifically compatible. If you're unsure, check your owner's manual. Pour slowly and steadily until the coolant level reaches the full line. Be careful not to overfill as it needs room to expand when the engine warms up. Once the coolant's topped up, give the radiator hose a gentle squeeze or tap the reservoir. That'll help any air bubbles escape, allowing the coolant to flow smoothly throughout the system. After that, tighten the cap, check everything's secure, and you're all done. And there you have it, a quick check and top up to keep your car running in good condition. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.